Welcome to the English Flow podcast. Today, we are going to the shopping mall. David needs to buy a birthday gift for his sister. Sarah is helping him find the perfect present. In this first part, they arrive at the mall and look at the map. Let's listen. Here we are, David. This is the city center mall. It is very big.
Wow, it is huge. I do not come here often. Thank you for coming with me, Sarah.
You are welcome. Shopping for gifts is fun. When is your sister's birthday?
Her birthday is next Tuesday, so I have to find a gift today.
Don't worry, we have plenty of time. What does she like?
That is the difficult question. She likes many things. She likes clothes, she likes books, and she likes jewelry.
Okay, that is a good start. We have many options.
Where should we start? There are so many stores.
Let's look at the directory first.
The directory? What is that?
It is the big map over there. It shows us where all the stores are.
Ah, I see it. Let's walk over there.
Okay, look at the map. We are here on the first floor near the main entrance.
I see the "You Are Here" red dot. Okay, where are the clothing stores?
The fashion stores are mostly on the first floor. Look, there is Fashion World and Trendy Style.
Trendy Style is nice. She likes that brand.
Okay, and where are the bookshops?
I see a bookshop on the second floor, City Books.
And the jewelry stores are also on the second floor.
Okay, so we have a plan. First floor for clothes, second floor for books and jewelry.
Exactly. Do you want to start with clothes?
Yes, let's start with clothes. Maybe I can find a nice jacket or a dress.
A dress is a good idea. Is she the same size as me?
I think so. You are both medium size, right?
Yes, I wear a medium. I can help you check the size.
That is perfect. Okay, let's go to Trendy Style. It is just straight ahead.
Wait, David, look at the window display.
Which one?
The store on the right. They have a big sale sign, 50% off.
Oh, I like the word sale. Should we look there first?
It doesn't hurt to look. Maybe we can find a bargain.
Okay, change of plan. Let's check the sale first.
Let's go inside. The store is called Urbanwear.
The music is very loud in here.
Yes, it is a store for young people. Your sister is young, right?
She is 25.
Then she might like this style. Look at these scarves.
A scarf? Is that a good birthday gift?
A scarf is a great gift. It is useful and fashionable. And you don't have to worry about the exact size.
That is true. Sizing is difficult. Let me touch this one. It is very soft.
It is cotton, and the color is blue. Does she like blue?
She loves blue. But is it enough? Is a scarf enough for a birthday?
Maybe not. Maybe the scarf can be part of the gift. We can buy the scarf and something else.
That is a good idea. Let's hold on to this scarf. How much is it?
Let me check the tag. It says $20, but it is 50% off.
So it is only $10? That is a great price.
Yes, let's buy it. Then we can look for a main gift.
Okay, where is the cashier?
The cashier is at the back of the store. I see a short line.
Okay, we are inside Trendy Style. This store is much bigger than the last one.
Yes, it is huge. They have a lot of clothes here. Look, the women's section is on the left.
There are so many racks of clothes. I feel a little confused.
Just follow me. We are looking for dresses, right?
Yes, a nice dress for a birthday dinner.
Okay, the dresses are over here near the wall. What color does she like? You said she likes blue?
She likes blue, but she has many blue clothes already. Maybe a different color is better.
What about red? Red is a very happy color.
Red is good. Oh, look at this one, Sarah.
Which one? The long one?
No, the shorter one, the one with the belt.
Oh, that is lovely. Let me see the material. It feels very smooth.
Is it cotton?
No, I think it is synthetic, maybe polyester, but it feels high quality.
It looks elegant. Do you think it is her style?
Yes, it is very modern. It has long sleeves, so she can wear it in the evening.
Okay, now we need to find the size.
Look at the hanger. There is a small plastic tag on the hook.
This one says S. That is small.
We need a M for medium. Look through the rack.
Small, small, large. Ah, here is a medium.
Great, take it out. Let me hold it up against my body.
Okay, stand still. It looks like the right length.
It goes to my knees. That is a good length. Not too short, not too long.
I really like it. How much is it?
The price tag is on the sleeve. Let me look. It is $60.
$60? That is a fair price. It is within my budget.
It is a good price for a party dress. But David, there is one problem.
What is the problem?
Buying clothes for other people is risky. What if it doesn't fit her?
You are right. If it is too tight, she cannot wear it.
Or if she doesn't like the shape. Everyone has different taste.
So, what should I do? Should I buy it or not?
We can ask the shop assistant about the return policy.
What is a return policy?
It means the rules for bringing the clothes back. If it doesn't fit, can we get the money back?
That is very important. Or maybe we can exchange it for a different size.
Exactly. If they have a good return policy, it is safe to buy.
Okay, let's find a shop assistant. I see a woman folding shirts over there.
Let's go ask her. You ask her, David. It is good practice.
Okay, I will ask, can I return this if it doesn't fit?
Perfect. And ask for a gift receipt.
A gift receipt?
Yes, a receipt with no price on it, so your sister can exchange it, but she won't see how much money you spent.
That is very smart. I didn't know about that.
Come on, let's go talk to her. Hello, are you ready to check out?
Yes, I would like to buy this dress, please.
It is a beautiful dress. Is it for you?
No, it is a gift for my sister. It is a birthday.
That is very nice. Do you have a loyalty card with us?
No, I do not.
That is okay. The total price is $60.
Before I pay, I have a question.
Sure. What is your question?
What is your return policy? If the dress does not fit my sister, can she bring it back?
Yes, of course. Our policy is very simple. You have 30 days to return the item.
30 days. That is good.
But there are two rules. First, she must have the receipt. Second, the price tags must still be on the dress.
Okay, keep the receipt and keep the tags on.
Exactly. If she brings it back, she can exchange it for a different size, or she can get a full refund.
What is a refund?
A refund means we give you your money back.
Perfect. That makes me feel safe.
David, don't forget to ask for the special receipt.
Oh, right. Can I please have a gift receipt?
Yes, I will put the gift receipt in the bag. It will not show the price.
Thank you. I will pay by credit card.
Go ahead and tap your card on the machine. Yes, approved. Here is your receipt and your bag.
Thank you very much. Have a nice day.
You too. Good luck with the birthday. Well done, David. You handled that conversation very well.
Thank you. I was a little nervous. I did not want to make a mistake.
You spoke clearly. Now you have the scarf and the dress. Is that everything?
I have the main gifts, but I need one more thing. I need something to write in.
You mean a birthday card?
Yes, a birthday card. And maybe some wrapping paper. The plastic bag is not very pretty.
You are right. A gift looks much better with nice paper.
Where can we find cards and paper?
There is a stationery store on the ground floor. It is called Paper Palace.
Paper Palace. Okay, let's go down the escalator.
Do you want a funny card or a serious card?
My sister likes jokes, so maybe a funny card is better.
Here is the store, Paper Palace. It smells like paper and glue.
I like this store. It is very colorful. Where are the birthday cards?
The cards are on the left wall. Look for the sign that says birthdays.
I see it. There are so many sections. For mom, for dad, for brother. Ah, here is for sister.
Do you see a funny one?
Let me read this one. On the front, there's a picture of a cat wearing sunglasses.
What does it say inside?
It says, "Happy birthday. You are the best sister." Most of the time.
That is cute. Does she like cats?
Yes, she loves cats. I will take this one. It comes with a yellow envelope.
Great. Now we need to wrap the dress and the scarf. Do you want wrapping paper?
I am not very good at wrapping. If I use paper and tape, it looks messy.
Wrapping with paper is difficult. You need scissors and tape.
Is there an easier way?
Yes, we can buy a gift bag. You just put the gift inside and add some tissue paper on top.
That sounds much easier. Where are the bags?
They are in the next aisle. Look at these shiny bags.
Here is a nice one. It is silver with blue stars.
That matches the blue scarf. It is perfect.
Do I need the tissue paper too?
Yes, the tissue paper hides the gift so she cannot see it immediately. Get this pack of white tissue paper.
Okay, card, gift bag, tissue paper. I think I have everything.
You are ready. Let's go pay.
This was a successful trip. Thank you for your help, Sarah. I hate shopping alone.
It was fun. I like spending your money.
Now that we are finished, are you hungry?
I am a little thirsty.
Let's go to the coffee shop downstairs. I will buy you a coffee and a cake to say thank you.
That is a great idea. Let's go.
Thank you for listening to the English Flow podcast. Today we learned useful shopping words like mall, directory, refund, gift receipt, and gift bag. We hope you feel more confident shopping in English. See you next time.